Well, it's been a little while since we've done anything besides wish for the house to be built. But today we're doing a little bit of communication work, putting in a pit for our hopefully our NBN broadband. So, but we've also got a new member of the family, Miss Koda, and she joined us at the start of, when was it, Koda? I think it was the start of August. And she's a beautiful little Labrador pup, as you could probably make out. She's full of energy, gives Max the supervisor a bit of a workout, but she's just loving it here like any dog would. Continue up her route. Zoomies. Zoomies. That's pretty energetic for old Maxo. There'll be some worn out dogs in a minute. Oh, now they're getting into it. So here's our conduits from power run previously, and I guess in hindsight we should have probably done this at the same time, but yeah, it's like anything, you're only worried about one aspect of it. But so yeah, anyway, here we are, we're back again. This is the pit. It's 500mm deep, and we just need to sink it in line with our conduits here. So we'll come off that tree and hopefully pick them up here somewhere. Oh, it's like exhuming something I never thought we'd have to ever touch again, but if only we did it. Put these pits in when we did it. So there's our electrical tape from our run. We can feel the conduits. We push the spade down, so we're very close. I think we're just going to go straight over the top of these guys. Try and pack it down. Forgot about our friend the water here. Always a constant at this place, especially after a bit of rain. Got the pit here, made some holes. Hopefully that'll keep people happy. Guess we'll find out. Alright, soldering on. Just putting the finishing touches on our pit. I even managed to turf around it. Oh.
The next day.
Well, it's a glorious Sunday, day 2 of our comms pit install. Kate's just grabbed some stuff from the shed, and we've been having a little dig into our comms pit. And that elbow wasn't glued, so that's okay. So that means we don't even have to cut the conduit. That should be easy from here. Yeah, a little bit tricky up this end. We have power, water, and our neighbour's power and water, so obviously didn't want to upset them. And yeah, it looks like what I thought was going to be hard is probably easier, even easier than yesterday. That's always good. We like easy. Getting there. Got the pit in. relatively straight. It's just taping it up. What are you two doing?